Grandma, can we please make fruit smoothies today? I love smoothies.
Of course, my dear. Let us make them together, nice and safe.
First, we put on our aprons and wash our hands. A good cook always starts clean and tidy. Yes, Grandma. Berries. And bananas. Yummy.
In go the bananas and the berries. The grown-up always handles the blender part.
I am adding the milk and a little spoon of honey to make it sweet.
Now, the most important step. We always put the lid on tight before we ever turn it on. Okay, your turn.
Wow, that was great, Grandma.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh no, it went everywhere. I am all pink.
Oh my. Let me turn that off right away. There. Off and unplugged, nice and safe. Is everyone all right?
I heard a big noise. Is everyone okay in here? Everyone is fine, just a very messy surprise.
I am sorry, Grandma. I pressed the button without the lid. I did not wait for you. It is still yummy.
It is all right, Henry. Nobody got hurt this time. But a blender can be dangerous, so let us learn how to use it safely. Let us go over the kitchen safety rules together. Then we will make our smoothies the right way.
Okay, Grandma Rose.
Rule 1. Always ask a grown-up before you use any kitchen machine. Never turn one on by yourself.
Rule 2. Always put the lid on tight before turning it on so nothing splashes out. See?
Rule 3. There are very sharp blades inside. Never ever put your fingers or a spoon inside the blender.
Yes, Grandma.
Rule 4. Always turn it off and unplug it before you check it or clean it. Never near water with wet hands.
Rule 5. Always clean up spills right away so nobody slips and falls.
Now the lid is on tight and we are ready. This time we do it together. Okay, Grandma, together and safe. Now, together, we press the button. Look, it is blending perfectly and nothing is spilling. The lid really works.
The grown-up pours since the jug is heavy. 3 yummy smoothies, all done the safe way.
Cheers, Lily Pom. We made them the safe way. Yummy. I will help clean up all the mess I made. Good boy. We always clean up together. All clean and shiny again. That feels much better. Thank you for teaching me, Grandma. Next time, I will always wait and ask first. I know you will, sweetie.
That is my clever boy. Making a mistake is okay, as long as we learn from it and stay safe.
Always ask a grown-up before using kitchen machines. And put the lid on tight. Never touch the sharp blades. Keep your fingers out. Good job.
The kitchen is a fun place, but always cook with a grown-up and clean up spills so no one slips.
This is the yummiest smoothie ever, and we made it safely. So good. Stay safe in the kitchen, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.